At KIT, teaching and research focus on the important topics of our time. For this, we have and need the brightest minds. However, we will only be able to win and to keep them if they are all given the opportunity to successfully contribute their knowledge and skills based on their individual personal and professional background. Each and every one of us is unique and different. This is not only about age, gender, or nationality, but also about different needs, perspectives, experiences, and opinions. It is not always easy to integrate these into teams. It requires framework conditions that enable diversity and difference, as well as the development of diversity competence among executives and employees. KIT promotes this diversity and helps all its members to fully reach their potentials in an excellent environment. Wherever possible, employees are offered flexible workplaces and working times. Moreover, other specific needs are addressed, such as childcare or barrier-free access to information and buildings. To ensure equal opportunities for all employees, conditions for work at KIT, such as guidelines, processes, and structures, are designed as fairly, transparently, and comprehensively as possible. In addition, protecting employees against discrimination is our top priority. We ensure participation of all employees and raise awareness for treating each other respectfully and fairly. This supports employees in dealing competently with diversity. This includes the ability to reflect, the ability to change perspectives, as well as intercultural competence. Diversity-competent executives are able to create an open and creative working atmosphere and to consider and promote the abilities of their staff on an individual basis. They successfully integrate different perspectives in their teams, for diversity being a real added value. All these measures help to systematically develop the potentials and talents of employees, to benefit from the heterogeneous composition of working groups and their different perspectives and innovative problem solutions, and to attract the brightest minds to KIT. KIT stands for an open research, teaching and working culture. Excellence is achieved through diversity.